First is the Durgod Taurus K320 keyboard. It's a really nice mechanical keyboard. It is a 10 key list keyboard and has nice and legible keys with an attractive sans serif font. It sounds quieter than your average mechanical keyboard while still offering you the comfort and speed that mechanical keyboards give you. The dark gray of my keyboard complements it very well, but it also comes in a variety of colors too. It comes with sturdy feet and a metal plate, making it a very sturdy keyboard as well. It was just what I needed when I was looking for a 10 keyless mechanical keyboard that's quiet.